Treepto is a decentralized financial payment network that rebuilds the traditional payment stack on the blockchain. It utilizes a basket of fiat-pegged stablecoins, algorithmically stabilized by its reserve currency TPO, to facilitate programmable payments and open financial infrastructure development. As of December 2022, the network has transacted an estimated $299 billion for over 2 million users. Today's Treepto price is $0.407, which is up 485% over the last 24 hours. Treepto's market cap of $50 million, 24-hour TPO volume is $76.442. It has a market cap rank of 4,962. Treepto is traded on one exchange, with the top exchange being PancakeSwap V2. Treepto had an all-time high of $0.407 about 20 hours ago. Over the last day, Treepto has had 100% transparent volume and has been trading on one active markets, with its highest volume trading pair being BNB.